Hello everyone. Today I wanted to share the flagstone pathways that we have laid out here. There is a lot of noise in this area because there is a tree climber who is bringing down the fronds. So I will share the different pathways that I have laid so far, just using some of the scraps that I collected from the marble stores and other places. So these are just the scraps, and I've tried laying them out in a very rustic fashion so that it goes with my cottage feel, cottage garden feel. So I've laid it out in a very uneven fashion. So let me take you around and show you different areas in my farm where I have laid out this type of flagstone pathways. I'm also going to put some pebbles in between so that while walking on these pathways it feels very natural. We bought these pebbles from a wholesaler outside the city and got it delivered to our farm and started laying. And these scraps also are something we found in a store, and this is what I used for the pathways. After I cleared the path, what I did was I laid the flagstones wherever I needed, just to get an idea about how it would look and how I wanted it to look like at the end. It's important to make sure the space is cleared out and there are no rocks and pebbles underneath the flagstones. So there is a way of doing it. So you need to dig out the area slightly, make a dent so that this particular flagstone fits inside of it well, and it's not projecting or jutting out of the ground. So it has to stay inside and stay flat to the surface that you're walking, because otherwise what happens is when you step on the tile and there are air pockets underneath and there is some uneven ground, then the flagstone would break, it would crack, and that's not what we want. So to make sure that it doesn't and it stays put in its place, we need to make a small dent and then place the flagstone and then cover it and secure it properly so that it stays put. So that's something you have to do for every single one of those flagstones, so that they don't come out and they don't break in the process. Yes, it's a lot of work, but it's so worth it at the end. The one thing I understood about doing all these DIY projects around the farm is the satisfaction that you get out of doing things with your own two hands is so unbelievably fulfilling that you may not get the same feeling when you get it done by a professional. You could easily outsource it and get it done by a professional and save yourself all this hard work, sweat and all that, but this feeling right here, this is priceless. The boundless joy you feel when you see your dream vision come to fruition, even if it is far from perfect, that right there is the missing link in finding the elusive contentment that we all crave. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video where I'll be taking you thrifting for my farmhouse interiors.